Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT Master Edition, and today I will show you how to insert a SIM card into this phone. Now unfortunately this phone does only take SIM card, so that's why there is no SD card in here. But anyway, to get started you will need one of these things, a SIM ejector. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And once you have it, take off your cover if you have any on your phone. As you can see, I did already take mine off. And then you'll have access to pop out the SIM, which is located on the upper left side of the device, right where the pin is holding right now. Oops. Once you push it in, or find a hole, push it in, and the tray pops out. And on the tray you have space for only 2 different SIM cards. So you can place your SIM card if you're using one on either one of them, it doesn't really matter which one. And if you're using 2 SIM cards for dual SIM, then obviously occupy both of them. Then carefully insert it back into the device. There's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of like fall out. There we go. And the SIM card should be working automatically, so let's see. There we go. And as you can see, it's already requesting PIN for it, so I'll confirm my SIM. Oops, PIN. And now it's unlocked. And that is how you insert it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.